Alright, I just got here. See behind me, really beautiful view. And it snowed, so it should be fun. Yeah, it's not good. That's really not good. Oh no. Shit. Man, that really sucks. And I left my fucking jacket here. Great. Wow, look at that, guys. That really left some mom in here. I mean, it's not wet in there, so I guess that's a plus. Let's start by shaking everything off and yeah. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. Ew. Wet in here and gross. Alright. Lucky for me, Grady left his water bag, which is still full of stuff. Make sure you guys can see everything. Oh, that's good. You guys can see. Looking good. What did that take? Like 15 minutes to do all that? 20. Ice cold, very nice. Okay, so here is the plan. Right where the machete is, there's gonna be a stick about this high. This high. See that? And then right here, there's gonna be the same size stick. About 4 feet in front of it. And about 4 feet in front of each stick, we're gonna put a stick about this high. What we're then gonna do is put a stick there, make a cross beam, lay the tarp over it. Tarp's gonna be slanted down on these sticks, and leave a little room for like supplies and stuff. And then we'll layer logs here so it's waterproof. And then, you know, scratch that. We'll do all that, but instead of this being this high, we'll lower it a lot. But we want it wide enough to fit both bodies laying this way. Both of our bodies, not dead bodies. So, let's get to work. This side. It worked. It worked perfectly. Wow. Look at that. Nice. So now that notch is cut out. It's looking really good. Alright, now I'm going back like through these trails because I feel like I'm gonna have a really easy time finding a suitable like cross beam if I go through these trails because they're very dense with trees, so I have a better chance of finding something. This looks suitable right here, to be honest. This long one right here. It looks kind of dead, so I'm not sure. It's going to be kind of difficult to get. Oh, that's perfect. All right, let me cut this out. That was quick. Actually, yeah, it looks about 6 feet. Let's get it out. I'm actually really proud of myself, guys. So I got a good ass crossbeam. I'm really surprised I got this. I had to replace that stick because it wasn't high enough, and when I put the crossbeam in, it was like that much lower. So it's already low enough, so I didn't want that. I guess now they're all all there is to do now is just, I guess, cut some of the excess off on each side. You can see there's a lot of it. Then take one of the tarps and put it all the way down. For the crossbeams for this, I really don't think I need any. Yeah, I really don't need any. To be honest, I might actually just make it really taut, put it all the way, and put stakes like this, 2 more right here and here, so there's not like a big saggy piece in the middle, and then nail the rest in. And actually, I still have 2 cuts from when I broke those, so that'll be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, and then take the tarp and diddly doobity. Twine over there. Beat it into submission like my dad beats me. Okay, here we go. Okay. Looks tight. Let's check inside though. So you see how low this is? Look how much I can raise it up. Look how much headroom that gives me. I still feel like, you know what, I could try to put one right in the middle. I don't really know if that'll help though. I could probably get rid of both of these and just put one in the middle and see how good that raises it. Because I want to be able to like kind of like sit up, you know? So far it's not looking too bad though. This is definitely for 2 people. Alright, so you could see what I did. Put 2 holes in there and then put a string. Fix this. There we go. Put a string in the middle of it. And then tie it to that one right there. It's taut, as you can see. And let's see the improvement it made. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That's so much better. Still feel like it's a little low though, to be completely honest. You know what, when Grady gets here, we'll find some more stakes that are higher than this. And then it'll look so much better. This is really good support beam, and this is all really sturdy. So, yeah, I think I did it. Now to build a nice little fire and wait for Grady to get here. I've earned it.